Immune Formula 90 capsules. Immune Formula is a product that has been winning the hearts of consumers of NSP products for many years. In each capsule of this dietary supplement, you will find well-known Chinese medicinal mushrooms such as Chinese cordyceps, Grifola curly maitake mushroom and lacquered polyporiaceae mushroom. The composition is supplemented with beta-glucans from the yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae, arabinogalactan from larch and colostrum. Every component of this product has stood the test of time. Mankind has used natural substances to maintain health since ancient times. Every component of this product has been tested by NSP. Authenticity not fake. Efficiency presence of active substances in the proper amount. Purity absence of impurities and contaminants. Important. NSP warrants the purity and potency of each product. It is possible to replace expensive raw materials with cheaper ones of low quality, but not in the NSP. NSP guarantees the highest quality and efficiency. Cordyceps sinensis is a mushroom from the Tibetan plateau. Cordyceps is especially valued by Chinese medicine specialists, who classify it as one of the 4 essential substances and call it the magic herb from Tibet. Scientists around the world are demanding proof of the effectiveness of cordyceps in specific situations. Work on the study of the properties of cordyceps continues. The antimicrobial activity of cordyceps has been accurately proven. It is associated with the survival of cordyceps in natural conditions. Cordyceps produces and accumulates antimicrobial substances that help it survive in an aggressive natural environment. It is precisely known about the accumulation of valuable nutrients in cordyceps. This is also due to the harsh conditions of its survival in nature. With regard to the effect of stimulating potency and the effects of aphrodisiac, cordyceps is called Viagra for two. There is a strong opinion, and there is a high popularity of cordyceps, specifically for harmonizing sexual relations and improving the quality of sex. What is known for sure and does not require proof is the success in sports of Chinese athletes, who consistently show the best results. We will not develop the topic of doping here. We only add that living in adverse conditions, high mountains, lack of oxygen and nutrients contributes to the fact that cordyceps accumulate valuable substances in itself. People who have been looking for health products for thousands of years have found them in cordyceps. Grifola curly is quite well known as the maitake mushroom, which is also especially valued in Chinese medicine. It can be found in Japan and North America, growing on the stumps of native trees. Maitake's name means dancing mushroom in Japanese. Indeed, the mushroom cap strongly resembles dancing frills sewn to a fluffy skirt. In Southeast Asia, this mushroom is highly valued for its unique taste and remarkable healing power. The polysaccharides contained in the maitake mushroom stimulate macrophages. Macrophages are killer cells in the immune system. The maitake mushroom puts the macrophages on full alert. Tryptophan acids contribute to the improvement of blood vessels. Adenosine, which is also found in these mushrooms, reduces the risk of thrombosis. Steroid compounds have an effect on improving hormonal levels. As you know, any hormones produced by our body are of a steroid nature. Therefore, these mushrooms help women cope with the negative manifestations of premenstrual syndrome and also with hot flashes in the menopause due to the stabilization of the hormonal background. Ganoderma lucidum is a famous reishi mushroom. This is another ingredient in Immune Formula that comes from Chinese medicine. The Chinese have known it as linji for thousands of years and often refer to it as the plant of immortality. Helps fight premature aging, especially beneficial effect on the skin and liver. Activates the immune response. It has a harmonizing effect on the nervous system as it activates the production of the hormone of happiness in the body, helps fight obesity and normalize blood sugar levels, helps to improve blood parameters. In particular, its oxygen saturation helps to normalize blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, prevents the formation of blood clots. It promotes the mobilization of the body's resources, which is in demand during physical and psychological stress, with intensive study, as well as during seasonal epidemics. Beta-glucans are considered by modern science as one of the most important substances produced by fungi. They are used in medicine, cosmetology, and food industry. They have immunomodulatory, anti-infectious, anti-diabetic properties, affects the level of cholesterol in the blood, normalizing it, improve the composition of lipids in the blood, protect the body from the penetration of pathogenic viruses and microorganisms, activate the growth of probiotic healthy types of bacteria. Arabinogalactan is a macromolecular biopolymer of polysaccharides. It is metabolized by the intestinal flora. It produces short-chain fatty acids. It has a general high biological activity, hepatoprotective, anti-mutagenic, gastroprotective ability, has a gastroprotective and moderate antimicrobial effect against certain bacteria. Arabinogalactans are immunomodulators that activate the reticuloendothelial system and increase the phagocytic index. It has been established that the efficiency of macrophage formation compared to echinacea in arabinogalactan is almost 2 times higher. Stimulates immunogenesis. It activates another branch of the human immune system, the complement system. People who took arabinogalactans experienced improvements in physical and emotional health. Arabinogalactan also stimulates the growth and activity of normal intestinal microflora, being food for bifidobacteria and lactobacilli probiotics. It has a high membranotropic activity, providing targeted delivery. Thus, arabinogalactan is a unique natural polysaccharide that has a valuable food and health purpose, multifaceted biological activity. The colostrum in this product is the milk excreted by the cow in the first hours after giving birth. Colostrum has been very popular in the nutraceutical market for about 20 years. All mammals are born small, defenseless, and lacking a mature immune system. The environment surrounds them with what it can, including pathogenic microflora. It is the first food colostrum that provides the necessary protection, building material for growth and development. Actually, colostrum is what provides protection and vital processes. Obviously, such a valuable nutrient should be used to support the health of adults. The ability of colostrum to restore the protective functions of the body, nourish intensively working organs, and increase energy reserves has long been known and repeatedly tested. The first food of mammals is a prime example of how powerful a protective factor our food can be. Combined in immune formula, these unique ingredients work together synergistically to improve overall health and support our natural immune defense. Immune formula is perfectly combined with NSP vitamins and minerals, with chlorophyll, useful microflora. Immune formula is included in the Strong Immunity Kit. Health to you in any season of the year, for many years to come.